I'm Jamie Plenkovich, head football coach at Ferndale High School, and I just want to talk about how special our community is, the support we get. It says on my sweatshirt, it's a matter of pride. I implore you to gather the facts and information and help us in November get out and vote and continue the strong traditions we have in this community of participating in our kids' lives and supporting our kids at an unbelievable level. If you look at the levy and bond dollars being spent, taxes being raised by our community, we are asking for, if you compare us to most other districts in Whatcom County, I think other than one, we are the least, we're asking for the least amount per thousand. So of what's on the books and renewing this levy at the $1.50 rate, we are below our neighbors with what we're asking our community to pay. This, like I said, this is an absolute vital investment in our kids and our community.